Hi all. In this class, what we will discuss is most of the times we should talk in English only. If you get any problem or you are not understanding, then you can text or chat so that I'll explain that what is my intent to tell. Apart from this is IT service desk. What does it means? Means in IT company employees, all the employees having access to the resources. Like if they wanna mail, they won't mail with Gmail or any another mail, Rediff mail or any another mail. They won't do. They all of them uses only Outlook mail. Okay, so for uh, for employee work environment, dedicated tools were created by Microsoft. Those tools only most of the times you will use. And in this, what will happen means uh, initially you need to learn basic things to clear the interview. Like, okay, basic things like you should have a knowledge on Windows operating system. In that Windows also, you need to have knowledge on Windows 10 and 11. Only these two. Remaining prior ones, they won't ask, and you need not to prepare anything. Those documents, materials also I'll give you. See, while using a AI tool, there also in Microsoft tools, the Capital only will they will use. Okay, they won't use Google Bard or Chat GPT. So these are all like similar only, but my minor changes will be there. You can adapt to them easily. In this, you need to have communication should be very perfect. You should talk properly. Okay, and no grammatical mistakes should be there. For that, you people, I'll make you mob calls. I'll take mob calls and I'll teach you how to do that. See, for that only you need to perfect. Remaining talk, if you want to talk with your friend or colleague, TL, HR, you can talk in a general manner. But if you want to speak with a client, I mean to say employee. Client means employee. That employee, you need to talk in a professional way. Here, two scenarios will be there. One is domestic and another one is international. International voice calls comes from based on your office, which one they are taking, whether it is a UK or America. If it is America, their accent will be a bit different. Your accent also will be different. In this, what you will do is uh, you will take those scenarios, and those scenarios you can revert back step by step on a telephonic phone. You will have a dedicated phone. You will get a call. Prior to that, there is one tool known as service now. In that service now, incidents will be registered. Those registered incidents will be forwarded to you. So you need to accept that incident, and you need to fill the details. After that, you need to take a phone. uh, you need to explain to that employee for regarding their issue. For example, I am saying, if they are their Wi-Fi is not connecting, or else Outlook mail, he has sent Outlook mail, but it hasn't reached to the manager. So what might be the solutions? At that time, you know the solution, but still you need to speak it in a proper way and polite also. Some irate customers will come. Irate in the sense, they are having some issues, so uh, they will be angry basically, because someone is not responding, and they might have called, someone is not responding properly, or also some IT service desk associate reverted him, but the uh, solution hasn't been done. So at that time what will happen means they will be very angry. So that call might come to you. So at that time you need to be polite, and you need to uh, very smoothly handle those calls. Apart from that, you may get a different types of priority calls, priority P0. Based on some companies, they might go to P5 also, but most of the companies they will go to three only: P0, P1, P2. Those are called priorities. Okay. If two customers call at only one instance, then which one you will choose? That's how these things will go. In this in this entire lecture, I will give you only 30 scenarios in detail. Okay. So you need to tell to your interviewer also you worked on these 13 scenarios only. Okay. And I will give you information, technical skills, technical knowledge on various things, from which they will ask the questions. Based on that you can crack the interview. Okay. That's first step. Next one is after going to company to company, there will be a like SOP, standard operating procedure. So those will be different from a company to company. So don't worry about that. They will teach you. That they will give you training, professional training. And there will be after professional training, you will fill the position of your prior ones, right? Before, one employee used to work there, that position he is going from that company to another company, so you are filling that company. That's what vacancy is, right? So uh, mm, he has to give KT sessions before he is relieving. So he will explain in detail everything, so that you can understand these things very easily. Here there is no coding. In initial sessions, there is no coding in this. There here several steps will be there. First one is L1, level 1. After that level 2. After that admin. After that uh, after that you need to serve for this servers, troubleshooting for servers. Basically what you need to do is, there will be a problem that you need to troubleshoot. It is as simple as that. That in which way you will do it? You need to do it either telephonic, or a mail, or a chat. In this step by step, you need to guide them to resolve the issue. That's it. Okay. If you go to servers also, the same thing. Here your career will be very very high. See, because uh, because if you go to higher levels, you'll get so much respect, recognition, and salary also, salaries. But uh, but the problem is you need to have patience at the initial times. Okay. I'm sharing the screen. Do you have any doubt prior to this? Do you have any like if we don't get it, what I'm teaching, or else if you uh, if you have any prior doubts, so you can ask now, so that we can go to next step. I'll share the screen and I'll explain the scenarios. Hello,
Okay, sir.
Rajsekar, Anil. What is that? I don't understand this name.
Sir,
Did you have any doubt, or shall we go further?
no doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay. I hope you people are in a track, so that I'll explain. These are the previous lectures, previous class lectures. Okay. And these are the materials, basic materials. I'll share all these things. Okay. All these things. So in this, what you need to learn is only this document, UAT scenarios. In this, 13 scenarios are there. 13 scenarios. If any problem comes, how you will resolve. That only you need to learn. You need to reciprocate to your interviewer stating that I have worked on only these 13 scenarios in my previous company. So if you go into that company, scenarios will be different definitely, and they will use their dedicated dedicated services. Whatever we learn, that same thing we will learn it. We will learn in a different manner. Okay. Oh, with the different tools and all, but scenarios same. Once you see it, you can learn it very easily because you know these things. So in these 13 scenarios, I'm opening this. See, are you able to see my screen? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This UAT scenarios you are able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, see, these will be the scenarios, general scenarios. This will be, and I'll teach you different scenarios also. Okay. See, speaker not working. Okay, this is one of the scenario. Touchpad not working, keyboard not working, fingerprint scanner not working, microphone not working, webcam not working, display flickering. And apart from this, you might have seen somewhere. Okay, blue screen of death, BSOD. What does that mean? Entire skin will become in blue color, and this will be like nothing will open. Screen is not able to respond. That's called blue screen of death. In such scenarios, you need to you need to ask first basic questions. Okay, these are the probing questions. Probing questions means you need to ask to the uh, client or employee to get the information, and you can understand from their reply. So in which state, or in which state the problem is, where is the problem is exactly, you can figure it out, and you can give a proper solution to them. In the probing questions, first one is any hardware or software changes recently. Recently have you see, if they got problem means earlier it is working. For example, one employee is there. Employee id uh, employee id is 3445. That employee uh, system is working till last night. Morning it is not opening. Morning it is getting some issue. Okay. At that time, what does that mean? Some changes have happened before he is going to sleep, right? In the computer, in his laptop. So we need to know what was he has done, whether he has any hardware or software changes, either software upgradation or a hardware change has done or not recently. We need to find out. Since when are you facing the issue? That is a very important question. Since when are you facing the issue? It might be mostly 1 day maximum. Okay, before that only any employee, if he is not, if he is facing issue means he cannot use that laptop for his work. So he will come by more less than 1 day only. So have you tried any troubleshooting steps? See, if he knows how to troubleshoot that issue, then he may try. If he doesn't know also, there may be automatically pop up window will be open. In that troubleshoot option will come. He will go to next. So after going steps to next and finish by troubleshooting, sometimes it work. So that will resolve. So sometimes it doesn't work. At that time it will throw an uh, message message on the screen stating that this is the issue. Imagine that employee uh, don't understand that message. So what he'll do is he'll take a screenshot of that, right? He'll take a screenshot of that and he saves. So when we ask, okay, IT service desk associate asks, so he will read that statement. From that we can get the idea. So this is the solution. So we can directly troubleshoot from there. So we don't start from the beginning. We don't waste employee time. So whatever, see whether you are a text or email or voice, everything is recorded. So you need to teach in a efficient manner. Okay, teach him to guide, not teach. Guide is the right word, I guess. You have to guide him in at most efficient manner, so that he can resolve the issue. See, for example, see, this is the one of the scenario. We will see this updating drivers from the device manager. See, for example, if you need device manager, all your drivers will reside in device manager. How to go to device management? See, go to the device management. To go to that, we need to enter this command. Where we need to enter this command? Copy. You need not to remember everything. They will give a SOP. From that SOP you need to solve. That's all. You need not to create, or you need not to do it in your own manner. See, copy. After copying, Windows plus R. Okay, you need to press Windows plus R. See, div management.msc. So you paste it, enter OK. See, desktop. This is desktop system name. This is okay. Whatever name you will put, that will come here. Okay, in this, these many drivers are there. These are all the drivers. See, if you right click, okay, from the you will take, for example, keyboard. See, right click, scan for hardware changes or properties. Properties means you will know the details of that. And if you go for scan for hardware changes, this hardware changes means uh, see, it is scanning for hardware changes. If there is any, it is not there. So there is no problem. You need to see, if you wanna do it. If you wanna do it for any system changes, then you should not log in your system with a you or employee. Should not be with a user mode. It should be admin mode. Okay, administrative login you need to have. At that time, if you see, I don't have admin access, so I don't get here. You people, if you have admin mode, then you can check it here. You'll get first one. You will get like update. Update means if any new features came and that you want to update it. Sometimes by updating, some problems will solve. For example, this keyboard, it is not. It is having some issues. If you update it into a new version, then you may get resolved few issues. Apart from that, here only there will be like a remove, uninstall. Okay, by uninstalling it here, after uninstalling any driver, that respective driver, you need to have a knowledge on that. That respective driver, you need to go. After going to that website, okay, that for example, graphic card driver you uninstalled. In which website? You don't go to Google and search like that. You need to directly go to the Nvidia and that system, whether the driver will fits for a 32-bit or 62-bit. All requirements you need to fill. After that you need to install, otherwise again it will create a problem for some other things. So this is how it works. See, look the hardware components, example speakers. touchpad, fingerprint scanner, graphic card, etc. These are the advanced things. Right click on the component and click the update the driver. See, we will, if we want to update, then we will update the driver. Select the search automatically option. See, if you go to admin mode, then you will get these options. Search automatically. If you automatically search, then whether if the driver is in the computer, that employee's computer, then that will select to that driver and it will install it. Okay, what you need to do is, don't uh, don't go for website for every time. For example, the driver is present in our system, then search it whether it is there or not. If it is there, then we need to use our systems one only. Okay, if it is not there, because that might have taken for exactly fitting or matching options. Check if there are any driver available in Windows library. Okay, Windows library also, sometimes drivers we will keep in a Windows library. There also we need to check. After that, if there is not there in the system or there in the Windows library, then we need to go to the manufacturer's website, and once we download it, we need to save it in that, whether it is in a system in a proper place with the name, so that whenever you want to install that, you can search easily. That's all. Updating drivers from manufacturing website. See, go to the manufacturer's support website for drivers for example, HP drivers are there. HP.com drivers. This is like a blink. Basically, he is giving like example that, see, enter the serial number of the product. Use command. Uh, See, if you use this, see, where do we need to enter this one? Warmic bias. Any driver, if you want to install, then there is a serial key or product key that we need to go to enter. No, we shouldn't go like here. Also, we can go like command. See, CMD we can go, but this CMD is not administrative mode. So what we need to go to, first you need to search it in the CMD. Okay, command prompt, right? After that, you need to run as an administrator. You always see, you always need to go by this thing, Warmic bias. Okay, see, here you'll get basic. See, these are like basic things, bias characteristics, bias version. Okay, here you'll get a serial number, everything you'll get here. Okay, that you need to use. Look for the driver's hardware component and download them. Install downloaded drivers, and if see issue is fixed or see, what we need to do is, in these scenarios, first we need to check whether that first we need to update. Next we need to uninstall and uninstall from the dedicated website. Still the problem is persists. Then what we need to do is, we need to we need to escalate it to the L2. It is a higher level 2. They will resolve. See see PC is not powering on. Okay, user calls mentioning their system is not powering on. Probing questions. See, any difference is there? Same difference. See, check if it is a laptop or a desktop. Any hardware or software changes. If it is a laptop or desktop, then if it is powering on, then one LED will glow. Okay, for hardware or software, LED will go indicating that it is powering on. Before even powering on, that thing happens. Since when are you facing the issue? This is same point previous. This is also same point, but this we need to ask, because company can give either laptop or desktop to the employee. Now most of the companies will give laptop only. If in case uh, desktop is given, at that time also we need to find out which one it is. Have you tried any troubleshooting steps? Okay, check for light indicators all around the machine. See, light indicators will be there. Whether it is turning on in CPU, it will blink. LED will blink. Here also in the power button at the corner, it will be a small LED that will glow if it is turning on, indicating that no issues on turning on. If that is not blinking, then there might be a problem that we need to find out. Though that power is not coming to that switch, so that we need to uh, find out and sort it out later. Okay, next, see physical power, right? Check the wall outlet. Wall outlet means that plug. Okay, try with the different cable or charger. Okay, that means with the different cable. For example, if it is a Dell laptop only, some other charger we need to bring it and check it out with that whether it is powering with that charger or not. For example, if that is with that charger it is turning on, what does that mean? What is the meaning of that? Hello? Hello?
Charger issue, sir.
That's it.
Cable or charger issue.
That's it. Cable issue or a charger issue. That's what. Power drain. Take out the power cable from the wall outlet and press and hold the button for the 30 seconds. Uh, Power button. You know power button how to turn on, right? So we need to, after plugging in, you need to use like that. Connect the cable back and press the whole power button for 30 seconds. In case if it is not coming, escalate L2. This is only the procedure. See, you might think like it is looking like very silly. Uh, Here also you will get good amount of salary. Apart from that, if you go to next level, okay, L2 admin. After that, server troubleshooter. See, your your packages will go into very high peak. That much peak you won't get it from this. Okay. Okay, next, see basic. uh, Hello, next, Outlook is not working. Okay, same. See, you need to ask like, since when are you facing the issue? Have you tried any troubleshooting steps? Have you tried accessing Outlook on the web? See, Outlook on the web means, see, it will be like, there will be direct app will be there on your system. So you need to search it on Outlook web, and there also you need to try to log in. In Outlook you will have several issues. In Outlook, on most of your time you will uh, spend in Outlook only. In that, there are uh, there are several issues. Like for example, Outlook mail has sent. Outlook mail has sent. After after sending, uh, it will getting very late to go. If it is urgent scenario, manager has to get back some work from an employee. He is trying to send, but it's not going to manager. It is going, but it is taking so much time, like 3 hours, 4 hours. So that is called delay. Okay, so at that time, what will happen means, uh, so your entire scenario will become different. Manager doesn't know that it is coming late, right? He might think like, you did not even send. So he will send an email stating very angry.